Okay, so I know that on Friday we did not get a chance to go through number 5 in your review packet. So I'm going to go ahead and go over with you how you would do number 5, because you do have a question that's somewhat similar. So we have students sold 275 tickets for a fundraiser at a school. Some tickets are children and cost $3, while the rest are adult tickets that cost $5. If the total value of all tickets sold was $1,025, how many of each type of ticket was sold? Well, first and foremost, I have children's tickets, and I have adult tickets. I don't know how many children's tickets there are, so I'm going to set it equal to X. I don't know how many adult tickets there are, so I'm going to set it equal to Y. I know all together 275 tickets were sold. So I can add X and Y, children's tickets and adult tickets, to give us how many tickets were sold. And now I also know how much was spent on these tickets. Well, I know that it costs $3 for children's tickets, so I could do 3X plus adult tickets cost $5, so 5Y equals 1,025. So now this looks like a system of equation, except right now if I were to put a big addition sign down, my X's aren't opposite and my Y's aren't opposite. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply my entire top equation by -3. So when I do that, I got to multiply each thing by -3. So I end up with -3x minus 3y equals -3 times 275 gives us -825. So now I'm going to rewrite the bottom equation underneath. 3x plus 5y equals 1,025. I can put my big addition sign down. -3x and +3x, they cancel out. So I have -3y plus 5y gives me 2y. And I have -825 plus 1,025. And I get 200. Divide each side by 2. And I get y equals 100. So now if I look back at the information that I was given, I know that adult tickets I have 100 of. So if I go back to my equation, when I had children's tickets, X, plus adult tickets, Y, gives us a total of 275 tickets. So now I'm going to plug in. I know that I had 100 adult tickets. So that means I have still my unknown children's tickets, plus my 100 adult tickets, gives us 275 tickets. So now I need to go ahead and solve for my amount of children's tickets. Subtract 100 from both sides. And I get X equals 175 tickets. So what that means is that my answer, there were 175 children's tickets and 100 adult tickets. So some of the main things that when you are given word problems like this, some of the main things that you need to do, you need to first go through and say what your X is going to be equal to and what your Y is going to be equal to. So that's going to be called when you define your variables. After that, you're going to have to write your two equations based on the information given. And that's what we did. We wrote our two equations here. And then the last thing you actually have to do is you have to solve. So these are just 3 steps you can take when you're doing word problems. You're going to define your variables, write your two equations, and then you can solve. When you solve, you can use elimination or substitution, whatever it is you feel more comfortable with.